Hey, Mitzi Trent Tate here with Tameron Honda, the Costco Auto Buying Program. Thank you so much for your recent online interest. One of the only Honda pilots in the Twitter packet. I have one of the beautiful white platinum white pearl here behind me. And the Pilot is one of the top rated midsize SUVs in America. And through Costco in particular, I'm not sure if you've ever used the program before, but they make it super easy. These deals are pre-negotiated on a monthly basis for their members, and they are the most aggressive buying service that we offer. I can't wait to show you how that works. You can reach me direct, Mitzi, at 205-504-2358. And I make you this promise: when you make it into Tameron Honda, you'll love the way you treat me.